If you're seeing an X, formerly Twitter, error in 2025, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes you can try on your browser or PC to get X working again. We'll cover the most common causes, including outages, cache problems, account session issues, and browser conflicts, so you can narrow down the problem step by step. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the most important check first. Sometimes the issue is not on your device at all. It can be a wider X outage. So before you spend time changing settings, open a website like Down Detector and search for X or Twitter. If you see a big spike in error reports or a platform outage message, that usually means the servers are having problems. In that case, there's nothing to fix on your end except waiting it out and trying again later. If the site seems to be up and the error is still happening for you, the next thing to try is clearing your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes because old or corrupted site data can break pages and stop X from loading properly. If you're using Google Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose the all-time time range, then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Clear Data and let the browser finish the process. Once that's done, refresh the page completely. On Windows, you can use Ctrl plus F5 to force a full reload. If the error still shows up, log out of your X account and sign back in. A fresh login can fix session-related glitches that happen without warning. To do that, go to x.com, click your profile icon or the More menu and choose Log Out. After that, close the tab if needed, then sign back in using your normal account details. If your browser saved the wrong login or an old session, this simple step can make a big difference. Now, if X is still not loading correctly, try opening it in a different browser. For example, if you normally use Chrome, test it in Firefox, Brave, or Edge. This helps you figure out whether the issue is coming from your browser rather than X itself. If X works fine in another browser, then the problem is probably caused by an extension, a setting, or stored data in your main browser. You can also test whether a VPN helps. Sometimes regional routing, ISP issues, or privacy tools interfere with how X loads. If the site works after switching browsers or using a browser-based VPN, that gives you a strong clue that the issue is network-related or tied to a browser conflict. If you use ad blockers, tracker blockers, script blockers, or privacy extensions, try disabling them temporarily and reload X again. These extensions can sometimes prevent parts of the site from loading correctly, which may trigger an error or a blank page. If X suddenly starts working after disabling one of them, you found the cause. You can then keep that extension off for X or add X to your allowed sites list. Another thing to check is whether your browser itself needs an update. An outdated browser can create compatibility issues with modern web apps like X. Go into your browser settings and make sure you're using the latest version available. After updating, restart the browser and try loading the site again. If none of these steps work, try restarting your computer and internet connection. It sounds simple, but it can clear temporary network issues and refresh the connection to X. After rebooting, open the site again and check whether the error is gone. So to recap, the best way to fix X error issues in 2025 is to check for outages first. Clear your cache and cookies, log out and back in, test another browser, and try disabling extensions or using a VPN. These steps solve most web-based X problems without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.